We continue with remediation in basic skills of learning. In basic skills of learning, we have four skills: language, reading, writing, and maths. Here we'll talk about what is the language experience approach. The language experience approach is an approach to reading instruction based on activities and stories developed from personal experiences of the learner. You are asking the child to share his last Sunday or the previous holiday where he or she went, asking him either to talk or asking him either to write it in whatever kind of vocabulary he or she can. The teacher picks up the story from there and helps him to develop it elaborately with proper guidelines on vocabulary and spellings. The stories about personal experiences are written down by the teacher and read together until the learner associates the written form of the word with the spoken. Say the child refuses to write. The best thing to do is the teacher should say, okay, you say, I will write. Or ask child A to say, and the child B will start writing. Write whatever he understands. Then they together start reading, and that's where the child A who has different disability will say, oh, I missed out on this point, or I forgot to tell you that this also happened. And this is how they start communicating more and identifying, remembering, thinking, connecting with activities that has happened with this child. What are the benefits of language experience approach? The first benefit is it brings together writing, reading, art, and language. How art? Whenever the child is unable to write it in words, the teacher is supposed to ask them to draw it. He may not know the spelling of a tree, but I'm sure he can draw a tree. And like this, he can draw so many small things in the process of expressing his ideas. This way, we also come to know how good his art is and how maybe this skill can be used in some other areas. The other benefit is it extends the learner's creativity in storytelling through writing. It helps learners understand that what they think and say can be written. Generally, for children with learning disability, whenever we ask them to write something, they just withdraw, especially those who have challenges with dysgraphia. Children with dysgraphia, as we have learned before, have a great difficulty in writing skills. So they will avoid even speaking if you ask them to write. But the minute you give them an option that, okay, the teacher is going to write and you only have to speak, a lot of thoughts and ideas and experiences that the child starts sharing. It's a learner centered and demonstrates that the learner thoughts and languages are valued. The next benefit is it provides reading material that is predictable and readable because it uses the learner's natural language. If this story of this child, which is an experience of this child, can be later on modified and written in a proper order, these become stories for other children to read. These become great experiences for others to read. So we really don't need to get a lot of storybooks into the classroom. Children can be story makers, and each one can share each other's real stories and feel. This helps them to raise their self-esteem, confidence. It motivates them to think more and motivates them to share their experiences with others.